Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing the Emirates NBD Mastercard Titanium Credit Card, which is a feature-packed card designed for everyday spending and exclusive rewards. So if you're thinking about applying, you can just check out the link in the description for the latest offers and the benefits. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So this is the official website of Emirates NBD, and this is the card that we are talking about. Over here, if we talk about the key features, so here you will be able to earn plus points on all of your purchases, which can be redeemed from shopping, travel, and much more. You will be able to enjoy exclusive dining, entertainment, and travel discounts across UAE. With this card, you are going to get complimentary access to the selected lounges in major airports. It will also convert the large purchases into flexible interest-free installments, and it also comes with contactless payments, fraud protection, and global acceptance. So if I talk about the pros of this particular card, you are going to earn rewards on groceries, fuels, and retail purchases without any restriction. You will get free lounge access. The ability to split the payments into installments is also very helpful to manage your expenses, and you are also going to enjoy the benefits without any upfront fees. So there is no annual fees for the first year. Now these are some of the additional key highlights and the benefits that you can just read out over here. If I talk about the cons, so to continue enjoying the premium benefits of this particular card, a fee may apply based on your spending. So after the first year, the first year is free, but after the first year you will have to pay the annual fee. The interest rate can be high, so like most the other credit cards, carrying a balance can lead to higher charges. So you just have to keep that in mind, that you need to just pay your bills on time. So the Emirates NBD Master Titanium Credit Card is a solid choice for those who want rewards, travel perks, and exclusive discounts. So whether you are using it for everyday spending or occasional travel, it offers great value. So again, you can just check out the link in the description to check out the latest offers and to apply. So in order to apply it, you just have to simply click on the apply now button, and on the next page you just have to provide your personal details and fill out this form completely. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.